how to make one of my favourite childhood treats, but I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version. And these are the good old chocolate crackles, but back then I had them with some puffed rice. But today I'm going to show you how to make a more nutritious, healthy version made out of puffed quinoa. And they're also refined sugar-free, they're really easy to make, so easy that even kids can make them, and they taste so great. And I just love them so much. So yeah, I'm really excited to share them with you. Let's head off to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make them. Bye!
You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes and cacao powder, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup of agave, you can use another sweetener like maple syrup if you like, and 1.5 cups of puffed quinoa. In a big bowl, add your melted coconut oil as well as your agave. I'm using agave, but of course you can use other sweeteners. Also add in your cacao powder and coconut flakes, and just mix it together until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, we're going to add in our puffed quinoa. Puffed quinoa has a similar consistency to puffed rice, but if you can't get it, you can also use regular puffed rice or puffed brown rice. You can also use popcorn, and you can make that easily yourself. Now just mix everything together until the puffed quinoa is coated nicely with the chocolate mixture. And then just spoon it into some small muffin liners. And this mixture makes around 12 little ones. And after you're done with that, just put it into the fridge for a little bit to set. I also keep them in the fridge, and when I feel like something sweet I just grab one of these, and they're so yummy and easy. If you like, you can also sprinkle them with some coconut flakes, which I think looks really pretty, before you put them into the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!